Okay, newest addition to the inventory here is a 2004 Toyota Camry LE 2.4 automatic, front wheel drive of course. 8386 is the stock number. Thing came in with bad motor, 138,000 miles. Body's in so-so shape. Really got nothing on the front. Headlights are broke. The bumper cover's no good. Hood's damaged. Grill's broke. Okay, you got damage in the right fender. Okay, right front door is damaged, so we got a power window regulator. Outside door handle white in color. You got the door glass. You got a right side mirror, power, non-heated. Okay, right rear door, same thing, damaged. You got a right rear door glass and a right rear vent glass. You got the window regulator in the right rear door. Outside door handle white in color. Right side quarter's no good. Got a couple hours worth of damage on it. Okay, we do have a right rear tail light in good shape. Okay, you got a rear bumper with a few scratches, a few nicks, but definitely nice. You got there's your deck lid, white in color, Camry LE, like I said before. You got a rear glass heated with the antenna. Okay, there's your left rear tail light. Okay, there's your left rear quarter. Got a little swipe on top, definitely not in bad. There's your right rear door, power window, power locks. Left front door is also damaged, so you got an outside door handle. You got the left front door glass, and you got the window regulator, power regulator with the motor. You got a left side power mirror, power, no heat. There's your left side fender, got a little crease up in the front, definitely not in bad. Okay, let's go under the hood before we go inside the car here and show you what we got under there. Here's your 2.4 motor, which isn't any good. Supposedly, I don't know if it's got a bad head or a bad head gasket, one or the other. But you got everything else there. There's your power steering reservoir, washer bottle, radiator bottle, alternator, starter, AC compressor, power steering pump. Transmission, this transmission is a U241E. This is a North American built car. And you got power brake booster, master. There's your air cleaner assembly with the airflow meter. You got an electronic throttle body. Okay, there's your fuse box under the hood. Radiation, fans, condenser seems to be all good. Okay, let's go in the car. Rear seat no good, left side seat no good. It's an 8-way power with the lumbar. There's your window switches right there. You got a right side seat, manual, no airbag. Beige in color, I would consider it something like that. Outside the paint code on this car is 040. Interior trim on this car is FB43. Okay, I consider it like a beige. Okay, there's your inside rear view mirror. It's got auto dim and a compass. Here's your visors, like a beige cloth. They just got mirrors, both of them, left and right, same thing. Steering column is tilt, cruise, delay with a key. It's got daytime running lights. Okay, there's your cluster. Okay, you got 136, 627 tack trip gauges. This is an LE, so it's all black. Okay, there's your radio. Okay, it's a regular Toyota radio. It's AM, FM, CD cassette. It's a Toyota model, and the code on the radio is 16823. It works, no problem. There it is.
You go to your shed or garage and your lawnmower.
And that's LJ, so let's got him off. Friend of mine on the radio. Manual heater controls. I don't believe it's got security in this thing, so we didn't post it that way. It's your shifter with automatic overdrive. Right side airbag, beige. Is your 4-spoke left side wheel bag. Okay, computer in the car. It's good. Airbag computer's all there. Everything's there. Your ECM is there. Your BCM. And that's pretty much it. You got inside door handles on these, which is beige all the way around. You got the left front, right front, and the right rear. And that's pretty much it for this thing. So let's go over this thing one more time. This is a 2004 Toyota Camry LE. 2.4 automatic. 136,000, 138,000 miles. Mika, what's with this 136? It's got 138,000 miles. Bad motor. LE model. And pretty much it. If you need any parts for this, you can give us a call at 888-748-5924. X from Mo, Larry, or Curly. Be glad to help you with any parts of this or anything else you may need. Business hours here is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday we're here from 8 to 1. Can't get us during business hours, you can get us on the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. And that's it. That's all. That's it. Okay. We're caught up. Let's get all this put in. Ciao.